we are going to blend sounds to read words. Let's do it together. These are the words we will practice. At, sat, tap, and pat. First, we have at. At, at. Say it with me. At, at. One more time. At, at. The word we practiced was at. Next, we have sat. At, sat. At, sat. One more time. At, sat. Great job. The word we practiced was sat. Moving on, we have tap. How do we blend it? Tap. 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 One more time. Tap. The word we practiced was tap. And finally, we have pat. Pat. How do we say it? Pat. 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 The word we practiced was pat. Great job, everyone! Now it's your turn to blend all of the words.